Hey, Sister Peter Marie needs this FedEx Saturday delivery. Hey, Vern. They let you out of the hole already? You're mad at me, aren't you? Sure, you're mad. And I understand why. You fucked up your chances for parole. You're facing 10 more years in Oz, all because of me. Oh, man. I manipulated you like the dumbass white trash Neanderthal you are. You know, you get to know a lot about a man when he's fucking you in the ass. Oh! Oh! Getting slow there, sweet pea. Getting a little soft.
You got to smoke.
Yo, you Schillinger?
Schillinger. Yeah.
I hear you used to run the Aryan Brotherhood.
Yeah.
And you let Beaches shit in your face?
Brotherhood's falling apart. When I ran the Brotherhood, we were feared. Now even the fucking fags look tougher. But listen, you and me, Mark, we can take things back the way they were. We can rule Oz.
Where do we start?
We need a roadkill. Show everybody we're back in the game.
So who gets whacked first?
The meanest motherfucking mutt we can find.
Prisoner number 98V238, Alexander Vogel. Convicted June 1st, 98. Two counts, murder in the second degree, theft. Sentence, 50 years. Up for parole in 30.
So you don't know anything about Alexander Vogel's murder? Well, if the Aryan Brotherhood's not involved, why was Jew carved on his chest?
Maybe some gang is trying to lay the blame on us. We're not the only ones that hate Jews, you know. I mean, your people do too.
You're involved in this, Schillinger. I know you are.
Yeah? Well, if that's true, prove it.
I will. Take him to a cell.
Wish I was in the land of God.
Hey.
Hey, nice job on Vogel.
Every inmate knows we did it. That's what matters.
So what happens next?
Next, we take care of him.
We kill Beecher?
Yeah. But first we make him suffer. Suffer long and hard.